Hello, hello. It's me, Prime, back on my devlog. I'm Apologies for the lateness of this, and I have been kind of busy. I've got good news. It's like have some job interviews lined up, and I've been kind of working on basically presentations that I have to do for those. So it's been kind of occupying my time, so that's why I haven't been posting as much updates, and the devlog for last week is basically late. I've also been poking around with DaVinci, which is kind of like a video editor tool. I was trying to add more production value, but since I'm already late, I just need to get this out there. So basically, what I've been working on is a lot of the UI Builder toolkit. Basically, I've been learning how to use it. Um, that's kind of weird. Oh, I guess because the window size is that's not the right size, but we can work on that later. But yeah, I've been building out these kind of these UIs essentially using that toolkit builder. I bet you it's the main camera or the game resolution that I don't have it set correctly, which is why it's displaying kind of oddly right now. But um, I've been doing kind of these grid layouts, buttons, and things like that as well. The CSS work, and so far I've been kind of creating a UI where you can kind of drag and drop the different monsters that you have. And then this is kind of like the roster inventory system. And once you kind of load up your monster, um, like I was saying before, I'm kind of moving the monsters into the world space, so you can kind of see that in the background. Like if I hide this, like eventually they'll load into here, which is the background essentially. I have the button in a different branch, so that's why I'm not using like this button isn't working at all. But overall, oh, it looks like the monsters just disappeared too. I guess that's a bug that I have to work on as well. But you know, I got the drag and drop working. Um, and yeah, so sorry for the short update, but progress is still being made. When I have time here and there to relax, I'll kind of work into my working on this game. But the next step is basically data binding, essentially. So um, eventually the monsters on the roster here and the monsters in the battlefield will point to basically the same data or same data structure. So this is me kind of untangling the bad code I've been doing for the last month, right? So trying to get that sorted out, and then I have to kind of rehook up my combat system here to this particular branch or this new project I kind of spun off, and from there, yeah, progress has been pretty good. It's been really slow. Learning to use the UI tool took a while, but I now see how like extremely powerful it is, and I think the investment I put in is worth the time, right? So, like doing this drag and drop system in UGUI or the old system would taken forever, right? And this was just a couple line of codes. This monster slot is basically some sort of draggable object. I don't know if it's here or not. I guess it's not showing up. But I just tag them as draggable, and these slots I just tag them as slots that you can drag the slots into. I wonder if I have it here in this code. Boop, boop, boop. Okay, I should have opened this up prior to making the video. Apologies. I guess I don't have the thing here, but I basically have like a slot class, and is dragging is basically lets me know like what can be dragging, what can't be. And what's great about this is that now I can attach this draggable manipulator to any other object in the future. Like let's say we have potions or whatnot, I'll just give it the draggable manipulator script, and then I just need to change uh, what it can be dropped into, where it snaps back to, and things like that. So I'm pretty happy about the system because it's the whole trying to make the code more modular as I can, right? For in order for it to be reusable. So my dragging system and my snapping, that can be reused now for future things like for most likely items is what I'm gonna have it as. Yeah, I don't have the drag and replace. It seems just yet, so something to work on as well. Sorry for the short update, but just trying to keep the ball rolling. Trying to do these weekly dev vlogs, right? I've added some cover art, and I'm also learning to use DaVinci a bit more, and hopefully over time this will be better production value. All right, thanks everyone. Catch you all next week.